Hi there, I am about to give a gift to a friend from Lemongrass, and I just wanted to share it with you guys before I give it out to her. So it's our travel kit. This is the Travel Face Care Kit for normal skin. And you can see there's several little samples in there, and it comes with this bag with the zipper on the top. This size is approved for travel, so you can take it with you on an airline and stuff, on an airplane and stuff like that. Excuse me. And this includes the different face care elements that we use for normal skin. So in here is the Hydrating Facial Mask, the Hydrating Facial Polish, face care or the face cream with Botanicals, and the Hydrating Eye Cream and the cleansing gel. So that's a lot in there. So if you wanted to give this gift to a friend, it's only $13. It's on page 10 of our catalog. I'll show you in here in the towards the beginning with all of the skincare stuff on this page. It's number sorry F2430 if you wanted to order that. And as we're coming up on the holidays right now, I kind of thought people would like ideas of things to give. So you're giving somebody a whole face care regimen for just $13. It's a nice little stocking stuffer, or teachers, bus drivers, mail person, anybody that you would like to just give something small to, easy to process and that kind of thing. So I don't have any makeup on right now, and my face feels really great. I used the Hydrating Facial Mask, and that is just, I love it. My face feels really nourished right now. I also used the face cream with Botanicals and the cleansing gel that are included in this kit. So I just thought I would kind of highlight that product a little bit and let you guys all know about it. Let me know if you have any questions.